The Meghalaya President, Bharatiya Janata Party, Earnest Mawrie, on being asked about the induction of Trinamool Congress leader of the state into the Saffron party, said that he has no knowledge of the same. On the election of the BJP Meghalaya President, Earnest Mawrie informed that as the term of the National President JP Nadda has been extended, it is therefore not possible for the state election to position of President to take place.
No information to us till today. Whether the TMC MLA they will join us, we are not aware. Maybe they discuss with him. He has already given the statement in the press, in a cup of tea, and discussed with them. So from the party side, we cannot give any statement unless they approach us. I have completed my term, 3 years, as prescribed in the constitution of the party. It depends on the party. I cannot give statement that I will continue or discontinue. That decision will be taken by the central leader. As I have already informed you that even the term of the national president has been extended from 13 January 2023 to 24 June 2024. Unless the center announce the election of the national president, we cannot have election. So I think he's very wrong in that statement. And I think you all remember, Bahek has been the president of the party in the year 2003 till 2006. 3 years gap. So it's not 2 years.